So what we're doing is a take and make kit, but for adults, something you can bring home and do with your family. We're gonna be making cheese. We're gonna be making 30-minute mozzarella from Ricky Carroll's home cheese making book. So all you have to do is come to the library, pick up this guide. I'll show you what's in it in a minute. And then you have to go to the store and get pasteurized milk, not ultra pasteurized, just pasteurized. I got this one at Thriftway. It was like $3. All right, so inside of this bag, you will find a wooden spoon, a pocket thermometer, a pair of gloves that are vaguely heat resistant, the recipe. I'm also gonna put that on the website in case you lose it. And we have our rennet. We have some salt, non-ionized salt. And finally, we have citric acid. So your job is to just get some milk.